This Hamilton Beach blender for shakes and smoothies and food processor combo is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet all your blending and food processing needs. With a powerful 700-watt motor, 40 ounces glass jar, a 20 ounces blend-in travel jar, and a 3-cup food processor attachment, this combo promises efficiency and convenience. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and overall value of this multifunctional kitchen tool to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 blender and food processor combo is crafted with both style and functionality in mind. The sleek gray and black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen counter. The 40 ounces glass blending jar is robust and designed to withstand high and low temperatures, making it suitable for both hot soups and icy smoothies. The glass construction also offers a more durable and non-reactive surface compared to plastic, ensuring your blends taste just as they should. The 20 ounces blend-in travel jar is perfect for those who are always on the go. It allows you to blend your smoothie or shake and then take it with you, making it an excellent choice for busy individuals. The 3-cup food processor attachment provides additional functionality, allowing you to slice, shred, and chop ingredients with ease. At the heart of this blender and food processor combo is a 700-watt peak power motor. This motor provides the strength needed to handle a variety of tasks, from blending frozen fruits to chopping vegetables. The powerful motor, coupled with durable stainless steel blades, ensures efficient and effective performance. The blender features 12 blending functions, including a pulse option, giving you precise control over your blending task. Whether you're making a smooth fruit smoothie, creamy milkshake, or a chunky salsa, you'll find the right setting to achieve the perfect texture. The patented wave action system helps to continuously pull the mixture down into the blades, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. The food processor attachment is equally impressive. It includes a blade for chopping, as well as blades for slicing and shredding. This means you can use it to prepare a variety of ingredients for your recipe. The 3-cup BPA-free processing bowl comes with a built-in chute and food pusher, making it easy to process vegetables and fruits. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 combo is its ease of use. The one-button operation for the blender and food processor makes it simple to switch between tasks. The controls are intuitive, so even if you're not familiar with advanced kitchen appliances, you'll quickly get the hang of it. Cleaning up after use is hassle-free thanks to the dishwasher-safe components. The glass blender jar, travel jar, lids, food processor bowl, and blades can all be placed in the dishwasher. Easy cleanup. The motor base is designed with cord storage, helping to keep your kitchen counter tidy when the appliance is not in use. The 40 ounces glass blending jar is ideal for preparing large batches of smoothies, shakes, and other beverages. The drip-free pour spout is a notable feature, designed to eliminate spills and messes while pouring. This feature is especially useful when you're serving drinks directly from the blender. The 20 ounces blend-in travel jar is perfect for making individual servings. It allows you to blend your drink and take it with you, making it convenient for people with busy lifestyle. The included travel lid ensures that your drink remains secure and doesn't spill while you're on the move. The 3-cup food processor attachment adds significant versatility to the appliance. It can be used for slicing vegetables, shredding cheese, and chopping herbs, making it a valuable tool for meal preparation. The built-in chute and pusher help to feed ingredients into the processor efficiently, ensuring even results. Pros and cons. Pros. Versatility combines blending, chopping, and food processing functions in one appliance. Powerful motor. 700 watts of peak power ensures efficient performance for a variety of tasks. Durable glass jar. The 40 ounces glass jar withstands extreme temperatures and is ideal for both hot and cold ingredients. Convenient travel jar. 20 ounces blend-in travel jar allows for easy on-the-go blending. Easy cleanup. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. Cons. Size. The 3-in-1 design may take up more counter space compared to standalone appliances. Noise. The motor can be somewhat noisy, especially when processing tougher ingredients. Glass jar weight. Glass jar, while durable, can be heavy and less convenient to handle compared to plastic jars. Users appreciate the versatility and convenience of the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 combo. The ability to switch between blending and food processing tasks with ease is a significant advantage. Many users also commend the quality of the glass jar and its ability to handle both hot and cold ingredients without issue. The drip-free pour spout is frequently highlighted as a user-friendly feature, helping to prevent spills and messes. The blend-in travel jar is particularly popular among individuals who need to prepare drinks and take them on the go. However, some users have noted that the motor can be quite loud, especially when processing tougher ingredients. Additionally, the glass jar's weight can be cumbersome for some users. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall feedback is positive, with many users praising the appliance's performance and functionality. Conclusion: is the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 combo worth it? The Hamilton Beach blender for shakes and smoothies and food processor combo is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that offers excellent value for its price. With its 700-watt motor, glass blending jar, blend-in travel jar, and food processor attachment, it provides a comprehensive solution for various kitchen tasks. Whether you're blending smoothies, making shakes, processing vegetables, or chopping herbs, this combo offers the performance and convenience you need. Its durable construction, ease of use, and easy cleanup make it a practical choice for any kitchen. If you're looking for a multifunctional kitchen tool that can handle a wide range of tasks with ease, the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 combo is definitely worth considering. Click the link in the description below to view the full product specifications and make it a part of your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.